Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a fillable text field on a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF editor. Now click on this form option and here you will find this text field option. Click here. Now drag your text field and you can move it. Now click right button for our mouse cursor and select properties, and this properties dialog box open, and this general option you can say this box name, and this appearance option here you can change text font size, text font color, this border color and this fill color, and this text size I'll make it auto, and alignment and select center align, and you can type multi-line, limit of character and so on. Now select close and select hand option and type text, and see this a fillable text box now created. In this way also I'll add another one here, and I'll align this to of this and select hand option and type text, and see this. In this way we can create fillable text field on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.